The perfect white rice. We will explore together the long-held secrets passed down through generations of Asian families. No need for fancy rice cookers. All you require is a humble pot, a trusty lid, a commitment to precision, and a dash of patience. In our recipe, we will be using koshihikari, which is my go-to choice of Japanese rice, known for its short, plumped grains and slightly sweet flavor. If you live outside Japan, finding authentic Japanese rice from Japan can be challenging due to export restrictions. However, the good news is that many regions, such as California, have locally grown Japanese rice that's just as incredible. When we soak rice in water, the grains absorb some of that water, allowing them to cook more evenly. As a result, we get rice with a wonderfully tender texture. It's like giving your rice a relaxing spa treatment before it hits the heat. But that's not all. Soaking rice also contributes to a more aromatic and flavorful end result. So consider using high quality mineral water when washing and soaking the rice. Because it's so simple and versatile, white rice forms a blank canvas ready to be transformed into all sorts of delicious dishes. So it's really worthwhile to master the art of cooking the perfect white rice.